Hi all, I'm Taj. Today exactly I'm going to show you how to build this n8n automation which will completely automate your HR onboarding process. So basically it starts with once the employee got hired, okay, this automation will get triggered and it will create a username for that employee for in your company, create a username, create a workspace, allow all your tool access like Jira, GitHub for the engineers and Salesforce for the sales team, etc. Like that, it will allow the tool access for the employee and it will also put that employee into the training. So this automation will reduce a lot of manual work of onboarding process. If you want this exact workflow, I have the link in the description. You can take it from there. So let's get started. So I'm gonna quickly show you how I'm gonna build this. So let's just jump right into the requirement, our requirement. So the current onboarding process requires a significant manual intervention from HR and IT, leading to delay in account access, inconsistency and communication, and lack of invisibility to the new hire readiness. This project aims to implement an automated workflow to standardize the experience, reduce manual errors, and ensure every new hire is fully operational on day one. As soon as this new hire is added, a new username for him it is created in the workspace. Whether if the company is using Google Workspace, a new Google account is created for that hire. If the company is using a Teams or it's the same thing. And after that, they will be checking the workflow will be checking he will be into an engineering department or sales department or other department. Based on that, the tools will be allocated to him. So there will be a couple of tools for engineering department like VS Code, Access, and some Copilot Access, etc. And for the sales department, there will be some CRM dashboards, Power BI, and all, right? So what we're going to do is, this is our requirement in scope, creation of email, and department specific tool allocation. So we are going to use our n8n workflow SDK, which I have built to create n8n automations automatically. So I'll be prompting it first. Let me just start by prompting it. Context. I want to create an n8n automation that will automatically or that will automate the employee onboarding workflow. So we're gonna tag our BRD, business requirement documentation, of what we have created, automate employee onboarding workflow. So this is the context. Now I'm gonna give the task for the AI. Task 1. First of all, go through the system prompt. Basically, this system prompt contains the step of instructions to how to create an n8n automation for the AI, so that it will refer the documents properly before creating the automation. So it's gonna refer the documents of the n8n. Then it's gonna select the nodes. Then based on that, it will come up with an architecture, and then at the end it will split out the workflow. So then, as per our requirement, create an n8n automation. Yep. So I will just resume it as soon as this is completed. So we got the result. Here is the implementation plan for our automated employee onboarding workflow. So basically it came up with an architecture where we will be having a webhook. As soon as the employee is hired, This webhook will be triggered. It will extract the data and validate the data. Then post validation, it will create a username. It will create an email account. Then depending on the department, which department that employee is being hired. If he is hired for an engineering department, then he will be given a Jira and GitHub access. If it is a sales, then Salesforce access. Then other than these two departments, depending upon that, it will be redirecting it to the standard access only. So it merges the results, sends the welcome email, create manager calendar. So manager calendar is basically the system will check when is the system will check the availability of the manager, and system will schedule a meeting with the manager and that employee. And also it will enroll into the training LLMs. Then post that an announcement will be posted on the Slack. Then send the entire summary to the HR with a success response. And these are the nodes which have been selected for this. So post this implementation, let me see. So here is the JSON file which it has implemented. Let's copy this. Let's paste it over here. So this is our automation, n8n automation of HR onboarding. Let's see. So what it has done on it is validating, it is generating username, it is creating account. Then it is checking for the department. Based on the department, it is redirecting it to that. And fine. Yes, we will test this. So let's see for testing what it has given. So we're gonna hit this payload to this URL. We're gonna create a new URL to test this body. Gonna be the post method, and we need to first go to n8n. From here, we need to copy this webhook, paste it over here, and again let's go back to n8n. There is n8n. Execute workflow, and let's post this. John, last name Do, engineering department. So we got the response. So automation went successful. So as soon as let's do it again. Let's give this time Alex. See the automation. Yep, as you can see, we also got the results. So we got this response that successfully employee onboarded completed